Hi guys, this is Zach and welcome to another episode of Lumix tutorial. Have you ever experienced this before while you're shooting a video? Some lights and some TV screens or monitor seems to flicker in a weird way and you have no way to fix it. So we're gonna explain why this happened and how we can solve this. So why this happened is because every light has a different frequencies and every monitors and screens have a different refresh rate. Our human eyes cannot see that, but a camera under specific settings, frame rates or shutter speed can see that clearly and sometimes it becomes a distraction. So how we're gonna solve this is through something called the Synchro scan. Of course, not every scenario requires a synchro scan. You can just tweak the shutter speed or shutter angle. If you do not understand what is shutter angle, we have another episode talking about just that. But normally, increasing or decreasing the shutter speed and shutter angle can solve that problem. But sometimes the problem becomes severe that no matter how you tweak the shutter speed or shutter angle, the flickering is still there. That's why we need synchro scan. Synchro scan is a feature that are more focused on video. So camera that are more focused on video will have this feature built in, like the GH6 we are recording right now on the GH5 here. And turn that on, then you can tweak your shutter speed or shutter angle in a very precise way. So for instance, shutter angle, we know we have a 360 degrees shutter angle. And instead of by default increasing or decreasing, maybe like 10 degree or 20 degree each time you turn the button, if you turn on synchro scan now, you can increase or decrease by one angle every time. And same goes to shutter speed. So when you turn on synchro scan, now you can increase or decrease your shutter speed in a very precise way. And you can just turn and keep turning. You just keep turning and just keep decreasing or increasing your shutter speed or shutter angle until you see the flickerings are not visible in your footage anymore. And then that is the shutter speed or shutter angle you're going to. So normally sometimes, when we shooting some indoor, we have some LED lights, in-house LED lights going on. So I see probably I can tweak until 186 degree or 243 degrees. It's a very weird numbers, like very odd numbers, and then normally by default you cannot reach those numbers. You have to turn on the synchro scan. So what I like to do is just I assign the synchro scan into one custom button. So I like to make the right button to a quick access to turn on and off synchro scan. Of course, you can assign any button you like, but GH6 and GH5 you can do custom button. You can just assign your desired functions into a quick access button. So do that, and then every time you see this flickering going on, you can play with the synchro scan. So that's all for synchro scan. If you have any problem, and you can ask on the comment section, and we will have people to answer you. And until then, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.